What's up, crowd? What's going on? As for me, I just received something in the mail today. It's awesome. This box right here. I've been waiting this for so long, probably like a year. I ordered this a long time ago and it finally came in. The Orapup. Oh yeah. You know what this is? This is a tongue cleaner for dogs. There's the Aura brush, which is for humans. It cleans your tongue and makes you have better breath. And then they made one for dogs, and it finally came in today. So I am going to try it with my little dog Ziku with you guys. Alright, so let's check it out. Okay, so the first step is to take this liquid thing and put it on that right there. Mom's gonna assist. Pode colocar ali. Só coloca pouco aqui, ó, já que ele tem língua pequena. Olha aqui, mãe. Okay, like this. Só pouco, assim. É assim.
Assim?
Uhum. Aí faz assim, pra ele. Assim.
Fazer.
Come on!
Para de gritar. Tá? Toma.
He doesn't like it.
Toma. Tá seco. Tá seco. Eu vou pegar tua língua, eu vou esfregar até você. Toma. Tá?
He doesn't like it.
Tá suave o negócio aqui. Tá?
Tem que fazer assim, ó. Tem que fazer assim. Mais em pé, assim.
Tá? Seco. Vai. Vai.
What a stubborn little dog. Ele não vai. We're forcing it down. Agora sim, deixa. Agora deixa você fazer.
Aqui. Tá, vem. Vem, por bem ou por mal?
Well, that didn't work. We'll keep trying on Ziku, but right now I don't recommend Orapup because he's not really liking it. So that's my experience with Orapup. But I gotta let you go. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Tell me what you think about Orapup, and if you have used it, and if you have, how did you get your dog to lick it? He's not licking it. What's going on? But anyway, you do all this by posting comment after the beat.